This is the installation guide of DAE Cloud Metering System for electricity. Step 1. Connect RS485 plus port of Polaris meter to RS485-1 plus port of CC2030 gateway by UL2464 cable. Connect RS485 minus port of Polaris meter to RS485-1 minus port of CC2030 gateway by UL2464 cable. Step 2. Connect Cat5e cable to Ethernet port of CC2030 gateway from router. Connect power supply to AC/DC 9 to 24V port of CC2030 gateway. If the second Polaris meter is added to the system, connect RS485 plus port of first Polaris meter to RS485 plus port of the second Polaris meter by UL2464 cable. Connect RS485 minus port of first Polaris meter to RS485 minus port of the second Polaris meter by UL2464 cable. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrols.com or call us at 248-635-3708.